Hi everyone, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on VK. For that, first of all, open up your VK app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on the sign up option. Select your country for country code and then enter your phone number. After you're done, tap on next. VK will now send you a code on your phone number. Enter your verification code. Then select next. Enter your first name and your last name. If you want to upload your profile picture, tap on the camera icon and you can either take a photo or upload the photo. After that, select your gender and then tap on next. Select your date of birth. Now set a password and retype the password to confirm it. Be sure to create a strong password and then tap on next. If you want to find your Facebook friends who are on VK, tap on sign in with Facebook. If not, tap on skip, which is on top right of your screen. If you want to sync your contacts, tap on search contacts. If not, tap on skip. Choose the topic that you are interested in and then tap on continue, which is at the bottom of your screen. This way you can create VK account. Now you can book taxis, order food, go shopping, discover music and podcast, make group calls and more. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.